A client of mine used to be a police officer in the UK. He was used to giving orders to people and them taking him seriously. He left that job and has been in sales for a few years, and things have become a little bit different. So he came to me because he was frustrated how recently clients are taking longer time to make the buying decisions. They seem to have many options as more and more companies are offering similar products and services. They are very price sensitive and ask for discounts all the time. This has made him lose deals, income, and eventually got him frustrated with the results he's been getting. It's not just becoming harder for him to sell and hit his targets, his entire family life and lifestyle is suffering, and he's experienced the stress of employment security and the family pressures that brings with it. See, customers are becoming savvy to be sold to. The old way of selling are just not working anymore. I know this because I've been in sales for more than 29 years, and I've experienced how things have changed over time. I've developed a selling system that can give you back the joy of selling and control over your career by providing you with the knowledge, tools, and confidence you need to get the results you and your family deserve. If this sounds like something you need, then I'd like to invite you to my Discovery Workshop. In this workshop, I will help you find out why you're not achieving your true potential in sales and how to turn things around. Go ahead and request a spot by clicking below. One of our representatives will contact you to confirm your qualifications, as we have limited seating capacity at our academy. See you then.